Hi guys, welcome back to Tech Tutorial. Today we're going to teach you how to verify your account in Discord. As you can see right now on our screen, we're currently on our Discord account and I have just freshly created the Discord account that I'm using right now. As you can see, it's prompting me to create our first Discord server, but we're going to skip that for now. To verify your account, as you can see here, there will be a message on the top to ask us, or it is asking us to check our email to verify our account. When you first create an account in Discord, it will automatically send an email to the email that you used to register. So simply open the email that you used, and as you can see, there will be a Discord email over here. Verify email address for Discord. Simply click on verify email. And the Discord account, as you can see, is now verified, and we could go back to Discord and use it normally, as you can see. Now that username that you have registered will now be a username that you will be able to use. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.